Stand assemblies are positioned in line and apart by a fixed distance on the machine, with alternating stands inverted to ensure complete rolling of the raw material. As the pierced hot raw material passes through the VRS roll stand, the metal is rolled and reduced in diameter. The hot metal flows into the contour gaps between the rolls and forms extra projections. The rolled tube reaches stage 1. Stage 1 is in inverted position when compared to the VRS roll stand. There is a further reduction in diameter of the tube. The projections formed during the VRS stage are rolled off to merge with the tube material. But similar projections form again in the stage as metal is squeezed and it flows in between the roll gaps. The stage 2 stand is oriented similar to the VRS stand. In this stage, the tube diameter is further reduced and the excess material formed in the previous stage is rolled back into the tube. The stage 3 stand is oriented similar to the stage 1 stand. In this stage, there is further reduction in the tube diameter and the excess material formed in the previous stage is rolled back into the tube. The stage 4 stand orientation is opposite to stage 3. The roller sizes are identical to stage 3. The excess material that was forced into the roll gaps in stage 3 is rolled back into the tube in this stage. Due to inaccuracies in the manufacturing process, the lever mounting holes on the cartridge stand assembly are located outside the dimensional tolerances specified by the manufacturer. The rolls themselves are held in place by levers, which are bolted to the cartridge stand assembly through lever mounting holes at precise points on the cartridge stand assembly. Due to inaccuracies in manufacture of the lever and the mounting holes in the cartridge stand, there is a variation in the roll gap between the three rollers. This variation in the roll gaps causes excess metal to be pushed out of the larger gaps and very little metal to be pushed out of the smaller gaps. In the next stages, this metal is rolled back into the pipe by the rollers. They also tend to fold in some areas and create folds and protrusions in other areas called as fins. Similar to the cartridge stand assembly, there are inaccuracies in the manufacturing of the lever. There are 3 lever and choke assemblies in each cartridge stand assembly. Similar to the cartridge stand assembly, there are inaccuracies in the manufacturing of the lever. There are 3 lever and choke assemblies in each cartridge stand assembly. The inaccuracies in each of the levers will combine to affect the quality of the tubes manufactured. The inaccuracies in each of the levers will combine to affect the quality of the tubes manufactured. The folds and fins cause uneven thickness and result in tubes cracking when used.